I feel like I'm on a Tinder app or something. So I'm Anthony Marguelas. I'm the founder and owner of Amalfi Estates. I'm going to be answering the most commonly asked questions on the internet about real estate. Why is real estate so expensive in California? I like that question. We have $1 million weather. That's why real estate's so expensive in California. Is real estate agent capitalized? Wow, I have to go back to my English grammar. Basically, no, real estate agent is not capitalized, but realtor is, and you're supposed to have a licensed trademark whenever you use the word realtor. Am I gonna be renting forever? I don't know. Where are you renting from? Do you have enough money for the down payment? You know, there's FHA loans, you can put down 3%. So I always recommend buying real estate. I don't care who you are. The two things I recommend when I teach my real estate class: get your real estate license as early as possible, and secondly, buy real estate as early as possible. Those are my two recommendations. We're narrowing these down. This is okay. Realtors are a joke. Realtors are overpaid. My competition's overpaid. I'm not overpaid. Why do realtors do open houses? Most realtors do open houses to pick up new clients. Open houses are interesting. One person brought their dog in to a $4 million house, and we said, you can't bring your dog in. Put the dog down, and then the dog proceeded to poop in the master bedroom and then walked away. And that was really fun to explain that to our seller of what happened. Okay, the print's getting smaller and I'm having a hard time reading this. Why do realtors hate Zillow? The interesting thing is, Zillow can be your best friend. Real estate agents that are a little insecure with themselves project and hate other things that are change. They're not a problem. Zillow is a really good conversation piece for people. They say, Zillow says my home is worth X. And if you're good at what you do, you can explain why it's either accurate or not accurate. Zillow's never been in these homes. How would they know how good the view is? How would they know how much of your lot is usable? How would they know if you just spent $100,000 updating your kitchen? I think if you're good at what you do, there's always going to be a job for you. Are realtors worth it? Some are, and some are not. Am I worth it? I believe so. We have over 200 five-star reviews. The average agent you talk to has maybe 3 or 4. So our goal to you isn't selling another house. Our goal is to get a 5-star review from you, because that means that we're worth it. Can real estate agents have tattoos? No one's ever asked me that one before. You know, I know certain religions you're not supposed to have tattoos, but real estate agents, they could have tattoos. Probably no facial tattoos, unless it's say, buy a house with me. I have 4 kids, happily married, and we all got a matching tattoo. The designation coordinates of a property that was in our family for many years. I don't think my mom knows that. Sorry, Mom. Can realtors talk about schools? Technically, all you can say is you can read statistics saying, statistically speaking, this school ranks very high from this website or this report. Because of liability reasons, you can't really say, this is a fantastic school. You have to use more statistics. Can real estate agents originate mortgage loans? That's a sleeper. Who the one Googled that? I must have been a CPA or an accountant. Definitely wasn't someone very fun. So what they're basically saying is, can real estate agents do mortgages in California? The answer is yes. Other states, you need a separate license to do mortgages and to do real estate. Who's your realtor? Who's your realtor? What does that mean? Oh, who does a realtor use to buy real estate? I got it. If I'm buying local, I'm gonna use myself. You wanna hire the best person around. So if I happen to be buying real estate in an area I'm not an expert in, I guarantee you I'm gonna hire the most knowledgeable and the most expert and experienced realtor around. How do I know who that is? I go on the multiple listing service and I see who the top agents are who sold the most number of homes and the most dollar volume, and then I check Yelp reviews. And I figure if they have great Yelp reviews and they're that experienced, I want to use that person. Are realtors rich? There's a misconception that realtors make a lot more money than they do. So what you see on TV, that's the top 1/100th of 1%. What do realtors do all day? Not a whole heck of a lot. The good ones, though, should be working, should be looking at inventory, should be looking at properties. I write notes on every single property. I have a database of it. I can pull it up on my phone so I can tell people when I'm meeting with them, I've seen your property, I know the pros and the cons of it, I've seen the properties on your street. The fun part of our business is there's no regular routine. So every single day is different. I mean, I love real estate. I've been doing this for 25 years. So it's not unusual that I work 14, 16, 18-hour days. If you really love what you do, then it's not work. That's it. Thank you.